All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So on, above something, above something. We have these books on the shelf, on the bookshelf. I have a lot of things on my desk. A lot of things on my desk. Yeah. What do you have on your desk? I have a hat on my head. Yeah, I don't have a hat on my head. Here's a hat, but the hat is not on my head. Here is a hat, but it is not on my head. No. Very good. I had a strange book on the top shelf. Not there anymore. She's putting more books on the pile. Yes. Oh. Over time, I will put more books on the pile of books to read. Yes. Oh, more and more books on the pile. Oh. Yeah. Why will they go on the mantelpiece? Well, they have to go somewhere, so that is a good enough place. And that is a good enough place to put it on. Yeah, put it on, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so on. So I don't have a hat on my head. My laptop is on the desk. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching, you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.